Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is blocking incoming text message photos and displaying a removed attachment of Banned MIME Type error, it is usually caused by a carrier-level glitch blocking high-efficiency image formats or an incorrect MMS file size limit. I will show you exactly how to bypass this restriction and fix your messages right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most common reason for this error is when an iPhone user tries to send a high-efficiency image file to an Android phone over a cellular network like AT&T or T-Mobile. The carrier's messaging server does not recognize the newer Apple image format and automatically bans the attachment. If you are receiving this error from a specific iPhone user, ask them to open their iPhone Settings app, scroll down to tap on Camera, and then select Formats. Tell them to change their camera capture setting from high efficiency to most compatible. This forces their iPhone to send standard JPEG images, which will safely bypass the carrier block and arrive perfectly on your Android device. Next, if you are using a third-party messaging application like Textra on your Android device and cannot send photos without getting the error yourself, your app might be trying to push files that exceed your network's strict beta limits. Open your Textra app, tap the three vertical dots in the top corner, and select Settings. Scroll down to the MMS Settings menu and look for the option labeled Carrier Send Limit. If it is currently set to No Limit or 1 megabyte, you need to change it immediately. Tap the option and manually set the limit to exactly 2 megabytes. This specific file size satisfies the background server requirements for major networks, preventing your outgoing photos from being rejected as a banned file type. Finally, if you are using the default Google Messages application and the error randomly started happening in your group chats, your application's temporary cache might be holding on to corrupted routing data. Open your phone's main Settings app, tap the search icon at the very top of your screen, and carefully type in exactly the word Messages. Tap on the official Messages app from the search results to open its app info page. First, tap the Force Stop button to kill any active background processes. Next, tap on Storage and Cache and hit the Clear Cache button to wipe out the corrupted temporary files. Restart your phone completely to force the messaging app to securely reconnect with your carrier's MMS servers, which instantly resolves the blocked attachment bug. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.